All right, now to create title slides. What we need to do to be able to create a title slide is we first need a background and then we need text over it. I'm going to scroll on up here to show you exactly what's going to happen. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a background for the text in the video 1 timeline, and then we're going to put the actual text itself in the video 2 timeline. Okay, so right up here are graphics. If you click on this, it gives us a wide variety of backgrounds that we can choose from here. There is actually a news opener right here, so if you're doing any kind of newscast or something like that, you can always use that. Let's say I'm going to use this rainbow glow right here. This is the background that I want to have as my title slide. I'm going to take it and I'm going to drag it down into the video 1 timeline right here. You'll see what happens is once I let go, it says, do you want to trim to fit or insert and push? I'm going to insert this and push all the rest of the video clips farther down the timeline. And now I have my background in right there. Now you can see my background is 20 seconds long. I doubt you want to have your title slide 20 seconds long. So all you need to do is click on it, wait, go to the edge and see where you get the little double-headed arrow, drag it down so that it is more like, oh, say 5 seconds. You can see up at the top at the blue header up there that it says 5 seconds. Click on it and now I've got a 5-second one. And then I can drag these guys back over so that, there we go. So that now all I have is a 5-second title slide instead. Just as a note, if you need to zoom in or zoom out at any point, there is a little zoom in and zoom out down at the bottom down here. I'm going to zoom in a little bit so we make our timeline a little bit bigger. Alright, so we have a background for our title slide. Now we need the actual text itself. We click on the text button. For a title slide, I recommend that you use just this normal text right here. So we click on that and drag it down here. Now you can see my text is lasting longer than my title slide right here. So I do the same exact thing where I click on it, wait for the little double-headed arrow, make it smaller, and there we go. Now my text is lasting as long as my background. I click on the little pencil icon right here, and then that will allow me to edit my text. So French commercial. Maybe I put my name on there as well. You can adjust what text you use right here. There's a lot of different text that you could possibly use. I believe it's right here that you change the text color itself. So you can change it to whatever color it is that you want. You can change the size of it right here as well. And if you ever need to move it around, just click and drag up here to move it to wherever it is you need to be. Click Done Editing once you're happy with it, and then if I rewind here, you'll be able to see I've got my text over my background. And that's how you do a title slide right there, okay? For end credits, it pretty much works the same way. They do have these end credits right here that I can click and drag and put in the video 2 timeline. Up here, you can see there's nothing underneath it right now, so it's just going to be a black background right now. But if I wanted to have some sort of background like the title slide, I could go back up into the graphics and pull something down into here, okay? And again, just like the text up here, I would click on this and click on the pencil icon and I could fill in the little credits right there, okay? You can always add multiple ones of end credits if you want to have more than just, this doesn't scroll or anything, it just appears like that. So if you wanted more, you can always add in another set of end credits here as well. So it'll go from one to the other, okay? So that's how you do a title slide and that's how you do end credits.